as you can hear, this is a dance of two dragonflies, one in the right hand, one in the left hand. So the right hand has the melody. The staccatos are very important. And now you want to make sure you're hearing the melody on the left hand, because when the left hand joins, it's going to be interjected in the middle of it. So if you're not careful, it will sound like you're going to go for this. You don't want that. You want. Now this is the measure I want you to work on. So the right hand staccato, left hand. So let's do it slowly. So we need to coordinate different texture, different articulation on both hands. Right hand staccato, left hand legato. And you gotta make sure we have the two note phrases. Down, up, off. Down, up, off. So that's actually throughout the left hand. Bottom, 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 dee-da, da-da, da-da, bum, bottom. So now you have this very playful sounding, right? Get softer. Dynamics is important here, so you can hear the movement. Yes, here. And then soft, the crescendo. Get softer. Crescendo. But you notice we never go above mezzo forte because those are dragonflies. They are not dinosaurs. So you want to make sure they don't get too heavy. And now keep going. You see how now we have the middle section where we have so you have and now another section. You're gonna do a little bit of crescendo. Oh, see, I almost forgot about my key signature, so don't forget your key signature is F sharp. And the reason being, so sometimes it's easy to forget, is look at measure 29. The right hand has an F natural. So now go back to F sharp on the left hand. Legato. Now you notice in measure 36, your right hand note and left hand note are the same note. Now you only need one hand to play. Make a decision whether it's your right or your left hand. I like the right hand because it's part of the melody. Right? And the other thing is you will notice from measure, let's see, 30, 31, 32, 33, 33, 34, 35, 36. So now those four measures will be the first and only time you have those beautiful legato in the melody. So you want to make sure you don't miss it. So you have, go from here, da, da, measure 29, ba, 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 da, legato, and left hand holds for a whole beat. They're quarter notes. Decrescendo, soft, right? You see that? Back to just like beginning. It's a codetta. Finish off. The codetta is a little tail, a little attachment to the ending. So you have this da da dee da dee da da dee. I could finish right there, but the composer attaches a little tail, a little extra, to make it more interesting. You can hear the dragonflies chasing through things. So now, remember when you're working on this piece, don't start with this speed. Start slow. And be patient. Be patient. Learn at this speed until you're really good before you actually start to speed up. So good job, and I will see you during the next lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notification for your next lesson.